Hold on to your wallets, folks. If you get your health care coverage through the Affordable Care Act marketplace, get ready for a big jump in premium costs. Earlier today, the Tennessee Insurance Commissioner announced that her office had just approved large double-digit rate increases for all of the companies offering health insurance next year. Our consumer investigator, Jennifer Kraus, breaks down the numbers for us. Jennifer, how much more is this going to cost people?
Well, Rory, it depends on the plan you choose and where you live in Tennessee. But the bottom line, the Affordable Care Act won't be quite as affordable next year for the hundreds of thousands of Tennesseans who rely on it for their health care coverage.
The rate increases are substantial, absolutely.
Tennessee's Insurance Commissioner Julie McPeak announced the hefty rate hikes just hours after her office approved them. Here's what they look like. Next year, the three companies offering coverage in Tennessee, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Cigna, and Humana, will raise their rates on average anywhere from 40 to 60%. That's another $1,500 to $2,000 a year for most Tennesseans who buy their insurance through the health care exchange.
I'm terribly concerned. I mean, I know that we are talking about significant dollars to Tennessee families, and I don't take that lightly at all.
McPeak says the decision to raise rates wasn't easy. But after United Healthcare announced it was dropping out of the plan, leaving only three companies offering health care coverage to Tennesseans next year through the marketplace, and the companies all complaining about facing significant losses, McPeak feared that without the sizable increase, consumers might be left with few or even no options.
It can cause a pretty quick domino effect of everyone leaving the marketplace, and that's what we're trying to avoid at all costs.
After the announcement, Governor Haslam said he too was concerned and felt the state had to do what it had to do.
They can't make insurance companies cover people if it doesn't pay off for insurance companies.
I'm not saying that raising premiums at this rate is a good thing. I don't think it is.
Healthcare advocate Walter Davis with the Tennessee Healthcare Campaign says help has always been available to consumers to help pay premiums, and that's not going to change.
If the premiums are higher, people are going to find more support. They still will probably pay an increase in premiums themselves.
And if you need help paying your premiums or have questions about which plan is right for you can contact the Tennessee Healthcare Campaign. We have their information on our website. One thing to keep in mind with open enrollment around the corner is that while you used to be able to choose between providers, in many counties now you're going to find that there's only one insurer offering coverage.